how are you? Let's do this question. So the question says that the summation of the cubes from 1 till n is n square plus n plus 1 to the power of 2, that's whole square, by 4 is true for all the positive integers. So since it's written for all the positive integers, our first choice of the proving method is by induction. So let's just begin. So let's check the base case. Base case means let's just sub in step 1. Put n is equal to 1. What are you gonna get on the LHS? It's 1 cube, that's 1. And what is RHS equal to? 1 square, 1 plus 1 whole square over 4. And that's 1 times 2 to the power of 2 over 4. And that's 1. So this gives you LHS is equal to RHS. And hence we can say n is equal to 1 is true. Okay. Now step 2, let us assume that this given statement holds for n is equal to k. So this is the, let's label it as star. And we will be using this to prove the k plus 1 step. So step 3, to prove n is equal to k plus 1 is true. So what do you get? We get 1 cubed, so on, k cube plus k plus 1 whole cube is k plus 1 whole square, k plus 2 whole square over 4. So from the on the left hand side, we're gonna take this entire chunk as it is under consideration. So it's 1 cube. You need to write down, okay? Because it's a proving question, so here steps matters. So let's just use star for this part. So what you're gonna get? K square, k plus 1 whole square over 4 plus k plus 1 whole cube. Now, what it gives us? K square over 4, k plus 1 whole square plus k plus 1 and k plus 1 whole square. Now, let's just pull out k plus 1 whole square and k plus 1 whole square. What you're gonna get? K square over 4 and k plus 1. Now let's make the denominators same and see what it gives us inside the brackets. So k square, I'll be multiplying up and down by 4. Here also up and down by 4. What it gives me? K plus 1 whole square, k square 4k plus 4 over 4. Now you can use either the quadratic formula on this to split this to get to know the factors, or if you are able to identify by this identity, a plus b whole square gives you a square plus 2ab plus b square, where your a is k and your b is 1, right? So what it gives you? K plus 1 whole square is k plus 2 whole square over 4. That is k plus 1 whole square is k plus 2 whole square over 4, and that is equal to your RHS. So from here, what we can conclude? So this implies n is equal to k plus 1 is true, right? So step 1 is true, step 2 is true, step 3 is true. So what we can say by mathematical induction, look, in the question, if it is given true for all the positive integers, you need to write accordingly. If it is written true for all natural numbers, try to answer in the format in which the question is being posed, in which the question has been asked. So by the mathematical induction, given statement is true all positive integers n. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this question. See you with the next question. Till then, keep smiling, keep shining. Bye bye.